hope that you all are safe and well. My name is Amya Sirari. I belongs to Almora. I did my schooling from CBSE board and currently I am pursuing bachelor degree in hospitality management from Amrapali Group of Institute, Haldwani. There are many things which I like to do in my spare time, but crafting and face art are one of my favorite hobbies. Recently, I participated in an online competition which was organized by AIHM, that is Waste to Wonderful, in which I made wall sceneries and hangings by the help of waste materials. Now talking about my interests are in cooking and traveling. For me, cooking is not a task but more way of having fun. I enjoy spending more my time in kitchen and making and experimenting a dish of my own choice. Now if I talk about traveling, then yet I haven't traveled so many places, but I have a passion to travel around the world and explore many places, clicking photographs, interacting with new people and knowing about their culture and moral ethics. During my schooling, I decided to make my career in hospitality sector, but I was quite confused about the college. So then in 2016, Amrapali organized Come Out to School competition, where I represented my school and I secured third position in accounting wizard, and I got certificates, a trophy and scholarship by the respective dignitaries. So that was really an unpredictable and wow moment for me. That was the first time when I entered in Amrapali, and I observed the environment is full of positive energy. The students are really very professional and cooperative, and they are the one who are handling and conducting all the academic games and activities for the students under the supervision of the mentor. After joining Amrapali, from the very first day of induction till now, I have learned a lot, not only to the syllabus but also about the overall development by participating in various extracurricular activities. The environment of AIHM is very dynamic and innovative. Apart from the classroom theoretical studies, moreover, AIHM focused on enhancing the practical skills of the students by organizing various kinds of conferences, workshops, and by training in various well-equipped kitchens, restaurants, bars. The mentors of AIHM are very supportive and professional. They're always there to guide and help out the students from every tough situation. Even our seniors too are very informative and humble. And at the last, friendship we make in college life is very special. I mean, who can forget those cafeteria moments, those cheerful meetings, those bright smiles, and so these are the very beautiful things which makes the campus more special for us. Amrapali always provides the opportunity to students to compete, participate and coordinate in various kind of activities. So from the beginning, I also love to take initiative in the events, and I got several appreciation letters and certificates for that. My first participation was in skit with my seniors, which I performed in Alumni Meet and Abhinandan 2017. And recently I performed a skit in Spandan also. Then I got an opportunity to be a part of Avahan, an international conference organized by AIHM. I also got a chance to host several events like Seniors Farewell, World Tourism Day, Teachers Day, Case Study Competition, a debate organized by Health and Wealth Club, and late Srimati Kamala Dhingra Memorial Meet. I too was the part of AIHM singing group and a part of Bollywood dance group. Besides from participation, I have also presented myself as a coordinator in several events. There I interacted with the students of different departments who were the part of core committee. There I learned a true meaning of leadership and a teamwork, and that was really an amazing experience for me. I am also a part of NSS Camp 2018, and there we have categorized in the groups and we performed various social and cultural activities like Nukkad Natak, surveys, internal external cleaning, kitchen tasks, cultural activities, games, parade and a lot more. So I think NSS is necessary because it generates the feeling of social awareness and makes the student more confident. I've got the internship offer from Crown Court Media Uni, which is an IHG brand and a part of Intercontinental Hotels Group. I've completed my 5 months training over there, and I got several acquisition letters also. There I got the idea about how this industry looks like and how this industry works and what are the real life situations we have to face. As we know that we all are facing a very tough period of time, and once this all finished, then opportunity will definitely comes to us. So when opportunity knocks, then make sure you are there to let it in. And being a third year student, one thing more I want to say to all the senior students of Amrapali that, as I said, it's good to grab the opportunities and always being the center of attraction. But if you have already achieved something, so I think sometimes you should give opportunity to others also. So that's what I believe. Suppose you are a host or a coordinator in an event, then it's in your hand. Then if you are making your team, just try to involve moreover the new faces of Amrapali junior students. Just teach them, support them, and share your experience with them, and sometimes give them a chance to lead. And at last I want to say that do good in your life, do good for others, and always respect your teachers. Thank you so much.